This is the entire design process of creating a minimalist personalized rectangular key holder with space for holding magazines or mobile phones. Let's start by creating a new artboard in Adobe Illustrator. Choose the rectangle tool and create a rectangle of 250 by 140 mm. And round the corners by 10 mm. This is going to be our base layer. Create another rectangle of 250 by 120 mm and round the corner by 10 mm. This is going to be our top layer. Now select the ellipse tool and create a 1.5 mm circle. This will be the guiding hole for our iron hooks.
If you want to download free cut files, you can find the link to the shop in the description.
Six holes will be suitable for this size of key holder. Let's align them vertically and click on horizontal disputation to create equal balance between them. Make a group and adjust them on the layer. Select the ellipse tool again and create a 4.5 mm hole for the wall mounted nails. If you like this video so far, please like and subscribe to my channel. This would really help push the YouTube algorithm. Group these layers together and create a copy. Choose a Pathfinder tool to cut holes. Now do the same with the top layer. Now let's make another copy of top layer with the circles. We need to create a few layers to make space between bottom layer and top layer. Now let's go to Objects, Path and click on Offset Path and choose -10 mm to create a box inside the top layer. Now select the line tool and create a straight line on both sides of the inner box. Select the top layer, lines and inner box together and click on Shape Builder tool. Remove the inner area. We are now going to convert inner layers into 3 parts to avoid any wastage of the materials. Keep selecting the Shape Builder tool and click on Colors and choose any color, and now click on all 3 parts to separate them from each other. Now separate these layers along with the circles and click on Pathfinder tool to create holes. Our 3 parts layers are ready. To personalize it with your own name, choose any font you like and adjust them on the key holder. We will create 4 copies of each of these layers to stack them on each other to create inner space for the key holder. Now let's open them in LightBurn software and cut them out. If you want to own these files, you can check the link in the description. There are also tons of free laser cut files available to download from my shop.
Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.